First man in. Second man standby. Second man in.
Third man standby. Third man in.
Fourth man standby. Fourth man in.
5 man standby. 5 man in.
Okay, first thing.
Check the fuel tank, fuel tank.
Kaya mo na libre. Sige, ibalik mo sir. Okay.
80% full.
Sige, next.
Check coolant. %80 full.
Okay. Check lubricant oil in dipstick. Found 80% full. Okay.
Battery terminal, positive and negative connected.
Okay.
Engage the battery selector into one position.
Okay.
Engage
Sige.
now, sir.
Okay.
We'll go now. Okay, first thing, check the surroundings. Port, starboard, forward, and aft. Surroundings are clear and ready to start the engine.
Okay.
I will preheat first 5 seconds and then start.
2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Okay, moving ahead. Slowly. Okay. Tingin na lang. Stop position. Stop position. Neutral. Okay. Astern. Astern. Okay. Stop position. Neutral. Okay.
I will stop now. I will pull.
Okay.
I will pull off the ignition and finish it.
Battery selector.
Battery selector, switch off.
Battery selector. Switch off now, sir.
Okay, okay.